Alright, welcome to Code and Candlestick. This is my kind of personal vlog for learning PyScript. If you also want to learn the PyScript and don't want to read the documentation, you can think of my video is the movie version of that documentation. We'll go through every example in the documentation and how to write indicators, trading strategy, things like that, and experiment a lot of fun stuff along the way. All right, with that, let's get started. Couple setup. Let's go to the TradingView. Uh, Sign in with your Google account. Open any stock or plotting. I like Apple, so I'll choose Apple. And it's also the first alphabetical, I guess. Uh, First thing to do, right click, choose color theme is dark. It's a very programmer setup, I guess. Alright, alright. The first example is calculating the historical bars. First, we declare version of the PyScript equal to 5. I guess this is the current version. Since the first example is an indicator, we will declare indicator by function. Given name is my code and learning 1. Next, we have a parameter called overlay. I guess what it does is if we wanted to plot the indicator directly on top of the plot, or we wanted to add a script below it, we'll see how that looks like in a minute. Right? Next, we define source equal to close. We have OHLCV really stands for high, low, volume. High, low, volume, open, close as well. I guess that's what they mean. The price on that specific candlestick, if it is the meaning the closing price of that specific candlestick. In this example, the closing price is 165.75. Alright. Next, we will define 3 variables: A, B, C. We will use the built-in function called SMA. I guess stands for the simple moving average. The example here shows the SMA function return the moving average, that is sum of last y value of x divided by y. So we choose source and we define how many number of the moving price we want to average on. So the 5 meaning it will choose the previous 5 candlestick and averaging value. And B will do the same function, but instead of 5 we'll be doing 20. And C will indicate when the A and B cross, the point when the 5 days moving average cross 20 days moving average. Next, and we will plotting those. Plot A, color, let's do color dot blue. We'll plot B, color dot black. Not comma, but dot. Right? It's nice they give you, kind of like UI. You can choose a different color in the color palette when you define color dot. Next, we will plot the cross point. It is cross point, meaning we would give a symbol. So we'll do the plot shape C, color red. Alright, that's our first script. Let's save. And then plotting to our script. Alright. Let's adjust this color. Alright. Okay. So you can actually see, let's zoom in a little bit. Okay. So the orange line is our 5 days moving average, and our white line is our 20 days moving average, and our indicator is able to mark the point when the 5 days moving average is crossing the 20 days. I guess not 20 days, but the last 5 candlestick. Last 5 candlestick based on the time interval you choose. Alright. Let's do overlay equal to force, and instead of close, let's do volume. Sorry about typo. Okay. Okay. So as we should able to see, it is plotting separately. You do need to click close on that same plot, so you can see when we adjust the overlay to false, it is not doing the indicator layout on the same view, but generate on the separate window. Right, so the orange is last 5 candlestick moving average of the volume. The white is the last 20 days, and the red cross is where the intersect. Okay, all right. Really quick example. Thanks for watching. We'll update soon.